Hey everyone, today I want to talk about one of my all-time favorite pasta dishes. Chicken white sauce pasta. This dish is perfect for a quick and easy weeknight dinner or a special occasion. The creamy and rich flavor of the chicken white sauce is simply irresistible, and the combination with pasta is unbeatable. To make this dish even better, I recommend using high-quality spaghetti or pasta. And for that extra touch of elegance, garnish it with fresh parsley and a drizzle of olive oil. Here's how to make this dish step by step. Cook your pasta according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Once your pasta is done, chicken in a large skillet over medium heat until it's cooked through and has a slight crust on the outside. Pour in your chicken white sauce and stir to combine everything together. Toss everything together until the sauce is well coated on the pasta and the pasta is hot and delicious. and your desired amount of Parmesan cheese to taste. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious and comforting chicken white sauce pasta.